Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on VIVO iQOO Neo 7. Let's begin. And it all boils down to one simple thing: making sure that your auto brightness is simply enabled. On VIVO phone, there are three ways to do this. The very first one and the easiest one is to simply expand the control center. And right here you can see your brightness bar. If we increase it, the brightness goes up. You all know how it goes. However, as you can see, there is a little A letter here. What you don't know is that it also works as a button. If we click on it, auto brightness will be enabled, and if we click on it once again, it will be disabled. You can always press and hold it to open more detailed screen. As you can see here, we also have this gigantic bar, but also three buttons at the bottom for our protection, dark mode and auto brightness as well. So of course you can always click on it if you want to. And lastly, we can go to the settings. In the settings, you want to go into display and brightness, and here you can see auto brightness. You can also enable it right here. And that's about all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.